All right, everybody, thank you for joining me here this evening. We are looking at a live severe thunderstorm near Buckhannon, Berlin, and Weston in West Virginia. This severe thunderstorm is capable of producing hail up to 1 inch in diameter and wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. If you are included in this warning here, move indoors immediately. Do not wait. Deadly lightning, large hail, and damaging winds are occurring with this storm, all right? We do have another storm up here near Harrisville that's also likely going to get severe warning very soon. It is doing large to very large hail, and then also maybe even the minor threat of rotation that we're going to have to watch for there. We have had a pretty active ongoing severe weather outbreak. Unfortunately, I was not able to go live until now because I just got home, but it's been pretty crazy, all right? We've had a few tornado warnings. We've had several severe thunderstorm warnings. As you can see, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of Ohio and West Virginia. It has been condensed down to this area. In fact, there is a relatively new mesoskill about it that reads, let's see here, what does it read? The severe threat continues across severe thunderstorm watch. Severe hail is the main threat, though a tornado cannot be ruled out. So we may even see a tornado or two pop up tonight. Now, I do have some new mechanics here for this stream that I want to test out. So if a severe thunderstorm warning gets issued, I'm going to go ahead and play this sound. So I'm going to give you guys this in 3, 2, 1. Okay, never mind. Hold on, it's broken. Give me just a second. That was kind of awkward. Hold on, it is broken. Dang it, this is a really bad time. Alright, just a second. I'm trying to fix it. Okay, there we go.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
That's the sound
crazy,
that...
right?
Oh, shoot. Okay. Maybe I just won't play that sound, huh? It kind of sounds like it's for the greater good that I don't, actually. Now, I'll play it, though. That's the sound I'm going to go ahead and play if there is a new severe thunderstorm warning. I do also have that same sound for a tornado warning, by the way. So, severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings, if either one of those do get issued, I'll go ahead and play that sound. Again, this is what it sounds like in case you didn't catch it.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
And then, I don't have the tornado one up yet, but all it is text-to-speech. It's not really that high-tech, so it won't take me that long to pull up. Honestly, at this point, I am more concerned about this storm up here near Harrisville and Pullman producing some large hail than this one down here. This is kind of a weakening storm. It was much more intense just a few scans ago. But this one now near Harrisville, I'm thinking is going to be the next one to get severe thunderstorm warning because, again, it is capable for sure of producing large to very large hail, I do believe there, and it is warned already for 40-mile-per-hour winds and half-inch hail, and it even has the intensification tag, right? So we're going to watch out for that, that's for sure. But yeah, again, maybe some minor rotation occurring. These storms, they do have a little bit of a spin on them, alright? This Storm Prediction Center outlook is actually outdated that you're saying. We have been downgraded from a slight risk down to a marginal risk, now just driven by a hail threat. But this is still showing the slight risk where we had tornadoes, wind, and a slight risk of hail, but now we're just down to a marginal risk of hail and nothing else by the Storm Prediction Center. But even they were talking about a isolated tornado being possible throughout the nighttime here in this severe thunderstorm watch. So we'll see. The main area that we're going to be watching now is northern West Virginia. A few hours ago it was Ohio. That was the time I couldn't go live, but it was intense there for quite a while actually. But northern West Virginia is the new area we're watching. We also have a storm back here in Kentucky that's actually strong thunderstorm warning for 40-mile-per-hour winds and penny-sized hail. And then we also have one that's strong thunderstorm warning out here in California. We actually had a severe thunderstorm warning up towards San Jose earlier in California. But we got a couple of strong thunderstorm warnings out there still. Again, I'm thinking a new severe thunderstorm warning is going to come in any second now for this storm. Or at least I think it should. And, in fact, the severe thunderstorm warning for this one near Buchanan has just gotten removed. So, or it expired. So we are currently on 0 severe thunderstorm warnings, but like I said, I don't think that's going to last because I think this one's quickly going to get severe warned, this one near Harrisville. Again, we're mainly watching this area here in the lower Ohio Valley, but we're also watching California a little bit from minor severe potential. But the main area we are watching is going to be out here in the Ohio Valley. Sorry if my voice is a little rough. So we do have a new radar scan here showing an even more intense hail core over Harrisville. They really need to issue a severe thunderstorm warning for this because this storm is definitely capable of producing large hail. So again, I think a severe thunderstorm warning will pop up basically any second now. Again, we do have a few storms stretching back into Kentucky that could be strong. Even a couple of stronger ones out here in Indiana. Even some down there in far southeastern Illinois. So, again, this one should get severe thunderstorm warning any minute now. And there we go, as soon as I say that. Alright, we have a new severe thunderstorm warning.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
There we go. We got 1-inch hail, 60-mile-an-hour winds. This is going to be heading towards Troy, Lumbridge, Leopold, Auburn, Sand Fork, Donlin, and St. Clara here. And the new Storm Prediction Center update has finally come in here. We have that marginal risk left here for portions of Maryland, West Virginia, and Ohio. And as well as Virginia. Maybe just a tiny sliver there of, no, not even Kentucky, not even a little sliver. It is just a little sliver of Virginia here, and then just a little sliver of Western Maryland. It's mainly West Virginia that we're going to be watching, if we're being honest here. Yeah, that new radar scan showing an even bigger uptick in this hail core, you guys. This is some huge hail falling here. We do already have 5 reports of hail of 1 inch or larger from today. I'll go ahead and read those off really quickly here. So we had a 1-inch hail report from Cardington, Ohio, a 1-inch hail report from Chesterville, Ohio, a 1-inch hail report from Mount Vernon, Ohio, a 1-inch hail report from Coshocton, Ohio, and a 1.25-inch hail report near Bucky Lake. So, hail up to the size of $50 out there today. That's what 1.25-inch hail is classified as. Again, this is honestly a pretty concerning storm at the minute, though, that I think we're going to have to watch for a while. Again, capable of producing damaging winds and large hail, even very large hail, possibly. I don't think there's as much rotation as the radar's showing here. I think that's mostly contamination, but there could be a little bit of a spin on this storm here. We do have a little bit of a hook poking out here near Pullman, so, I mean, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I don't want to rule anything out, but I don't want to confirm anything either that we don't know is true. Again, we do have a few cells out here in North Kentucky, Southern Ohio that could get strong to severe at times, but overall not too concerning. Maybe in a few thunderstorms out here in the plains tonight, it looks like. But those will not be severe. So let's actually take it over to California. We haven't really done a deep dive on those storms yet. Again, there are a few popping off near San Jose that could be strong to severe at times. And then there's also a few in LA, in that whole area. We can actually see here, this is a pretty common thing for California special weather statements for strong storms. But it's gusts up to 50 miles per hour, half-inch hail, heavy downpours, cloud-to-ground lightning. Rotation is being detected offshore with a slight chance of a tornado popping up. Again, that sounds bad, but honestly, those happen with a lot of the strong thunderstorm warnings that we see in California. And 99% of the time, nothing happens. So again, new radar scan. We still have a huge hail core here. Now approaching Auburn and West Virginia. Also, this storm that was severe warned and it did expire and they didn't reissue it, it could get reissued. There's still a little bit of a hail core. I'm thinking they're going to go with a special weather statement, though, rather than a severe thunderstorm warning, because I don't think there's severe hail on it anymore, really. The test of our warning sound, it worked well. Let's test it out again. Why not?
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
It worked pretty well. Again, it is just text-to-speech. I don't want to make it sound like it's something super high-tech. It's me pushing a text-to-speech button.
Good evening. We have a packed show for you.
I was looking at the what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I was looking at the text-to-speech voices, and one of them was called Davis, so I clicked on it. The first one that popped up was called Davis, and I was like, what the heck? Let's test these out. What do you guys think would make the best warning sound?
I can't wait to see where life takes me in the years to come.
I can't wait to see where life takes me in the years to come.
I sat on the bench.
You ought to know that I am not to be trifled with.
I like that one. That's a classic right there, I think. But yeah, we'll test it out. I think right now though we're gonna stick with the one that we already have that we like. Again, we got two storms out here in West Virginia that we're kind of watching at the minute, both capable of producing some large hail. Yeah, I think we're just gonna stick with this sound though. Right here.
A new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
I like that one. Alright, you guys should get a new radar update here any minute. Yeah, and huge hail here near Auburn right now. If you can do so safely, go outside and measure some hail. This is a live look at eastern Kentucky. And then this is a live look at southwest Ohio. Both very overcast. Alright, so this new radar scan still showing that very large hail there across Auburn, West Virginia. This storm is almost stationary. It's really not moving that fast. The warning says it's moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. I guess it's not moving super slow, but it's not moving that fast, I don't feel like. Let's take another look out here at California. Again, these storms sweeping onshore here to the Santa Barbara area could cause some isolated problems. These could be some intense storms out there. Look at some of these storms in southwest Indiana. They could produce some small hail, actually. Wow. Look at that one there, right on the Illinois-Indiana border. That could actually produce some very large hail. It's right on top of the Wabash River. That's just the north of Beale in Indiana. Again, that one could be a little bit on the stronger side, I'll be honest. Alright, you guys, we're kind of at a standstill right now, so I think we're going to go ahead and end off the stream here. If it's absolutely necessary, I might go live again later tonight, but right now we're kind of just chilling, so thank you all for watching this live stream, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.